Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Ally Bank have checks? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about why this question is even important. After all, in today's digital age, who even uses checks anymore, right? Well, it turns out that checks are still a pretty important part of our financial lives. Whether you're paying rent, buying a car, or just paying off a debt, checks can be a convenient and secure way to get the job done. So, if you're considering opening an account with Ally Bank, you might be wondering if they offer checks. The good news is, they do. In fact, Ally Bank offers two different types of checks, standard checks and custom checks. Standard checks are free and can be ordered online or through the Ally mobile app. Custom checks are a bit more expensive, but they offer a wider range of designs and colors. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers both convenience and security, Ally Bank is a great option. Now, let's get into the specifics of Ally Bank's checks. First, let's talk about standard checks. Standard Ally Bank checks are free and can be ordered online or through the Ally mobile app. You can order up to 500 checks at a time, and your order will typically arrive within 10 business days. Standard Ally Bank checks are made of high-quality paper and are durable enough to withstand the rigors of everyday use. They also feature a variety of security features, such as watermarks and microprinting, to help prevent fraud. In addition to standard checks, Ally Bank also offers custom checks. Custom checks are a bit more expensive than standard checks, but they offer a wider range of designs and colors. You can choose from a variety of templates, or you can even create your own custom design. Custom Ally Bank checks are made of the same high-quality paper as standard checks, and they also feature a variety of security features. They're a great way to add a personal touch to your finances. Now that we've covered the basics of Ally Bank checks, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of using them. One of the biggest pros of using Ally Bank checks is that they're free. This can save you a lot of money over time, especially if you're a frequent check writer. Another pro of using Ally Bank checks is that they're easy to order. You can simply order them online or through the Ally mobile app. Finally, Ally Bank checks are secure. They feature a variety of security features, such as watermarks and microprinting, to help prevent fraud. Of course, there are also some cons to using Ally Bank checks. One con is that they can take a few days to arrive. This can be inconvenient if you need a check right away. Another con of using Ally Bank checks is that you can't order them over the phone. This can be frustrating if you don't have access to a computer or the internet. Overall, Ally Bank checks are a good option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. They're free, easy to order, and secure. So, if you're considering opening an account with Ally Bank, don't hesitate to ask about their checks. You'll be glad you did. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy banking.